Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down and unplugging the Zephyrus G16. This prevents shorts and preserves data. Once done, remove any external drives and wait about 30 seconds so capacitors discharge. Next, ground yourself, static ruins NVMe modules, then remove the 11 bottom screws and lift the rear edge first. Make sure to pry gently along the seam rather than forcing one spot. This spreads stress across clips and avoids panel damage, which speeds reassembly later. You open the laptop and immediately locate the M.2 2280 slot by the heat pipe. Orientation matters because NVMe keys must match the notch. Once located, remove the tiny standoff screw holding the SSD, then pull the drive up roughly 30 degrees and slide it out. When inserting the new SSD, align the notch and press it down onto the standoff before securing the screw. This ensures contact and prevents data errors. Make sure thermal shielding or tape returns exactly. You're almost done. Reinstall the bottom cover and tighten screws in their original pattern so pressure stays even. Once reassembled, boot into BIOS to confirm the new NVMe shows up. If it does, set boot priority and ensure NVMe mode is enabled. After that, you can clone your old drive or install the OS fresh. If the drive isn't detected, power down, reseat the SSD and screw, then try again. Updating BIOS often resolves compatibility quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.